Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a payment method on Ulta Beauty. If you don't have an Ulta account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. On the pop-up window, you will see a section for Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a drop-down arrow beside your name located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for payment. Click on Payment. On the payment screen, you will see a button that says Add New. Click on Add New. Now, enter your card credentials, such as your card nickname, name on card and card number. Then enter the expiration month and year. Next, select an address. After entering, click on the Add button. That's how you add a payment method on Ulta Beauty. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.